Dear students, a warm welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss redistribution of electric charges, that is common potential. Okay. Now suppose we have two conductors A and B. Okay, A and B, which have electric capacity C1 and C2. Now, when we give Q1 and Q2 charge to them, then their electric potential becomes V1 and V2. Okay, now again when we connect these two conductors with the help of connecting wire, then charge will start flow from higher potential to lower potential till they both acquire same electric potential. Okay, suppose V1 is greater than V2, then charge will start flow from A to B, okay, conductor A to B, till they both acquire same electric potential. That is, after redistribution of electric charge, their electric potential becomes V, common potential. Okay, and the value of common potential V is equal to total charge upon combined capacity, that is Q1 plus Q2 upon C1 plus C2. Using the formula Q is equal to CV, we get Q1 is equal to C1V1, Q2 is equal to C2V2 upon C1 plus C2. This is the value of common potential after redistribution of electric charge. Again, after redistribution of electric charge, suppose the charge on conductor A becomes Q1 dash and the charge on conductor B becomes Q2 dash. Okay, then Q1 dash upon Q2 dash will be C1V upon C2V. Okay, we are talking about after the redistribution of electric charge, so we use V here. Now Q1 dash is equal to C1V upon C2V. VV cancel out each other, we get C1 upon C2. Okay, Q1 dash upon Q2 dash is equal to C1 upon C2. Now next is charge transferred from conductor A to the conductor B will be equal to the electric charge on conductor A before redistribution minus the electric charge on conductor A after redistribution, that is Q1 dash. Now the value of Q1 is C1V1 and Q1 dash is equal to C1V. Take C1 as common, we get C1 in bracket V1 minus V. We have the value of V, common potential, put the value of V, and after simplifying we get C1 C2 in bracket V1 minus V2 upon C1 plus C2. This is the charge transferred from conductor A to the conductor B, okay, till they both acquire common potential. Now again, there is a loss of energy when charge transferred from conductor A to the conductor B, then there is some loss of energy which will be equal to the total potential energy of two conductors before addition, okay, minus total potential energy of two conductors after addition, okay, or you can say after redistribution. Now total potential energy of two conductors before addition 1 by 2 C1 V1 square plus 1 by 2 C2 V2 square, their individual, the sum of their individual potential energies, minus total potential energy of two conductors after addition 1 by 2 C1 plus C2 V square. Okay, when we connect these two conductors with the help of connecting wire, then their combined total potential energy becomes 1 by 2 C1 plus C2 into V square. Now put the value of V, common potential, we get this line. Now take 1 by 2 C1 plus C2 common, we get C1 plus C2 in bracket C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square minus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square. Okay. Now next, when you solve this, when you simplify this, you will get C1 C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon 2 C1 plus C2. Do it self, then you will get this result. Okay, this is the value of loss of energy on sharing charges. Okay, so this is very important topic for numerical purpose. Okay, so the topic is done. Thanks for watching.